Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I've generated more than 1 million euros in revenue the last year with Google Ads dropshipping. As you guys can see in my dashboard, I've generated 1,064,000 euros in the last year with only this top marketing channels. And the top marketing channels, as you guys can see, it's the paid Google Ads, direct and organic from Google. So all the traffic came from Google Ads. So nobody is talking about how you can leverage Google Ads with your dropshipping store. A lot of people are teaching how to do organic TikTok or how to do TikTok ads or how to do Facebook ads with your dropshipping store. But nobody is teaching you how to use Google Ads for your dropshipping store and run it on autopilot. This store, it took me only 2 hours per week to work on. So it was a store that I call it on autopilot. This was an autopilot printing store. And I think Google Ads dropshipping is the best way to even generate money with dropshipping on Shopify. And I will show you in this video how I found my winning products. I even will show you my top #1 winning product, and you will be amazed how easy this product is. And I will show you what kind of country I was targeting and how I set it up. And I even sold this store for $100,000 US because it was still generating a lot of money. So let's take a deep dive into my laptop and let's see what is all behind. So first of all, guys, I'm going to show you the profit and loss sheet. Because I've sold this store, I needed to verify my numbers. So as you guys can see, I've generated 1.13 million in revenue. Shopify showed a lower amount, but that was because of the refunds. So as you guys can see, the total revenue was 1.1 million. The cost of goods were around 400,000 euros and the ad spend was 340,000 euros. So that means like we had a ROAS of 3 in the whole last year. Then I paid a 10% ad spend fee to my media buyers. They get 10% of the ad spend that they manage. So that's 34,000 for my team members. And that means I had a profit of 300,000 euros last year. But then the refunds came in as well, and that was around 69,000 euros. So the total profit was 232,000 euros. And as you guys can see, it's all verified by the broker because the broker sold this store to a seller in the United States and needed to be verified. So he checked all the numbers, and I've sold this store for close to $100,000. So now you guys know how much money I made. Now you guys want to maybe know, okay, what kind of products did he sell? Well, it's very, very easy. I've sold this product. This is my winning product from that store. The store is still alive. The store is still run by the new owner. But as you guys can see, it's in the German market, and it is this comfortable orthopedic shoes for women. That's what it says here. For $39.95, so it was all pretty low AOV, but a lot of people bought 2 of them because I've put in here that they get 10% discount when they buy 2 or more products. And of course, I have multiple products on this store. I had many products on the store, so a lot of people could combine the outfit. This was mostly fashion organized. So as you guys can see, it's pretty simple. It is $39.95. We have a green add to cart button, some custom reviews on there. Here we have some urgency and scarcity, and then we have like the beautiful product pages. Then we have the beautiful product pictures, as you guys can see, and this was the whole landing page. And then we ended with some reviews as well. So this was the product that I've sold the most of. You can see even in my Shopify dashboard here, the Comfy Füße, that's the comfy shoe. These 2 have been the best sellers for my store, the top selling products. I've sold 1.7K of the one variant and 1.6K of the second variant. So 3,500 pieces I've sold for this one. Now we are back on the landing page. Now you see what kind of product that I've sold. Now you may be like, okay, but Jesper, how did you know that you wanted to sell this product? Well, for Google, most of the things that are very important is the Google Trends. You need to sell products that people are already looking for on Google, because on Facebook and on TikTok, people are buying on an impulsive buy. So people are scrolling on their Facebook feed or on the TikTok feed, and you need to stop them with your creative, and then you hook them in to your landing page. But on Google, it's like totally different. The buying intent is already there. You just need to know what people are looking for. Think about it with Amazon as well. A lot of people go to Amazon because they already know what they want to buy. Nobody's scrolling Amazon for hours just by checking, oh, what am I going to buy? No, a lot of people know what they want to buy. They go on Amazon and they buy it. So what we use is Google Trends. I will show you how it looks like. This is Google Trends, and you can search like all the terms that you want to search for. And what I did is in German, I put in here orthopedic shoe. This is in German. I put in country Germany. I put it in the last like 20 years. And as you guys can see, like the Google trend is immense. It's only going up, 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 and up for this typical search. So a lot of people are searching for orthopedic shoe in Germany. So what I did, I went to Google and I put in my VPN on Germany, and I've searched for orthopedic shoe for ladies. And I found a lot of them. So I was like, okay, a lot of people are selling these kind of shoes. So then I started to think about, okay, now I need to find shoes that stand out between them. So what I did, I went to AliExpress and I typed in orthopedic shoes women. So I started scrolling till I found something that stood out on the feed on AliExpress, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna sell it. And you see, instantly, this one took my attention. Like the beautiful picture from all the different kinds, I was like, okay, this looks very, very good. So I checked this one out and I found my winning product on here. They were very, very cheap. Well, AliExpress is lying. It's not 90 cents. I believe the cost of goods were like around €9, I believe. So we had a good margin on this one. So as you guys can see, these are like the same shoes that I've been selling with my one as well. Here you see it's the same picture. That's how I found my winning product. And I started running the Google ads. So as you guys can see, of course, I've sold the store. So I still have like the screenshot of the ad spend from last year. The last year, January 1st till December 31, I've scaled up this store with 340k ad spend in 1 year. So 340k ad spend, and the total revenue that's tracked by Google is 1.2 million. And most of it was only selling orthopedic shoes to the German market. So easy it was. The Germans were buying a lot of orthopedic shoes. They were buying my orthopedic shoes, and the only thing that I needed to do, send out the shoes straight to the customer, collect the payment, and make sure everything runs smoothly on the customer support. That's the only thing that I needed to do, and this took me only 2 hours of work per day. Well, not even per day, per week. It only cost me 2 hours per week to manage this all, because Google Ads have the demand already. The demand was there. They only showed like the typical dropshipping products to my clients, and the people bought. So as you guys can see on the Google ads here itself, you see a lot of people are selling the same type of shoes, but all with different pixels, different sizes, different colors. But these are all orthopedic shoes. And this is how you find the winners. Here you see even like the same product that I had with a different background. But here you see a lot of orthopedic shoes. And if you find a trend that's trending, you just need to look up in the current market if dropshippers are already active. Because the funny thing is, if I check this one is a dropshipper, this is a dropshipper, this is a dropshipper, this one is a dropshipper, this is a dropshipper. So a lot of dropshippers are already in front of like the big brands. You don't even see big brands here. Nobody is like selling these type of shoes as a big brand. And I think if you find these type of products on a trend, you will make money with Google Ads. But guys, if you are thinking about, okay, but how do I use Google Ads? How do I set it up? How do I set up the Google Merchant Center? I have something very, very special for you. At this moment, I am running a live 0 to 100K a month challenge on Goole. And as you guys can see, this is my community. It's called the 90 Days to Online Freedom, where we do a live 0 to 100K in 90 days or less challenge. We are building a live dropshipping store with Facebook and Google Ads. I'm gonna leverage Facebook ads as well, because if you combine Facebook and Google Ads together, you have like amazing reach to a lot of people. People that will impulse buy on Facebook, but you don't trust you, they will look you up on Google, and there they find the same advertisement from the same store from me on Google as well. So this will close a lot of deals. This will make a lot of sales. So what I'm doing is we are hosting a live challenge, and I would love to see you guys in here. As you guys can see on the calendar, we do every 2 days, we do a live call. And today we have like a Google Ads research. We're gonna do some live products research for Google Ads, and we're gonna set up the store live. You're gonna see what kind of products we're selling. You're gonna see how my landing page looks like. You're gonna see all my stores in different markets. You're gonna see the whole strategy. So if you guys are interested in joining this one, we will raise up the price after we have 100 members in. So you guys can click on the link in the description below, and I would love to see you guys in there as well. I hope that you learned a lot about Google Ads dropshipping. If not, let me know what kind of questions you still have, and I see you in the next one. Peace.